Alright guys, well, this beautiful little brown I just flipped, going right back under its log. Awesome. What's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we are hiking this wonderful railroad for snakes. As you can see, we already have one in hand. It didn't take that long. Usually when we get up a ways, they start popping up everywhere. And this guy managed to shed underneath this railroad tie before we found it. You can see it looks real clean, really fresh shed. But I'm not going to spend too much time with this guy because I'm sure we're going to see plenty of these today. So I'm going to put this railroad tie right back. I'm going to let him go right back under it. Cool. Well, we're going to keep hiking, and we're going to see what we can find.
Let's get to it.
Check this out, guys. We have an absolutely stunning little garter. Look at the colors on that thing. That definitely deserves a couple really good pics.
The belly's so shiny.
I know. But look at the colors. It's got some really nice orangish browns, some greenish blues.
Is that a plains, you think?
Definitely not. It's definitely an eastern. It's just a really odd one. Funny thing is, he was actually, the reason I saw him was because he sucked back into this railroad tie, and I had to fish him out. So I'll put him back in a minute after some nice photos of this beauty. What a good looking snake. That is second one in hand, third one we've seen. So that's 2 for 3. It's really hot out here.
It's very hot out here.
I mean, we're dying right now. The sweat is just pouring right now.
Well, we will not. Beautiful scenery out here.
It is stunning.
Sugarcreek, Ohio. Nice. Well, let's get back to it. No, we good. So Garter, Connor's still taking pictures of the Nerodia. Not very good looking, deep in shed. Just gonna put him back. Dude, you're fine. Whoa. Alright. See you later, guy. Okay, or not. Okay, we're good. More logs, more Nerodia, and or more milk snakes. Let's get to it. How's it going over there?
I got some good pictures.
Alright, awesome. Alright, let's go. Well, target species found.
I won.
Dang it, I forgot about
won
that.
the challenge.
Then a little garter. Garter's alright.
Also a double flip.
Yeah, double flip under this log.
We chilling. I'm gonna get some photos of this guy though.
I'll put this guy back.
Yeah, I don't have too many brown photos, so.
No.
It's actually a really pretty one. Look at the coloration on that. Oh, nice.
Super cool.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, that was cool.
Yeah.
Pictures.
Awesome. Well, that's an unexpected find on some railroad tracks. Look over at my side and there's just this little painted turtle peeking out from all these plants here. Look at that. Awesome. Really well camouflaged with all that algae on it. But the train doesn't come on here too often, so I'm probably just going to leave him right back where I found him. So, fine. I'm going to get some quick pics and release it. Good stuff. Cool. Alright. Back you go, buddy. Yo, that frog's having a good old time. Ants. Railroad ties. Oh my god, Nerodia. Oh, it's massive, dude. Oh, the spray.
Oh,
dude, good find.
Oh, let's go. All right.
Oh, the freaking it's getting all up in my gloves.
Where there's one, there's one. Hold on a minute.
Dude, that looked good though.
That looked real good.
It's
Did you get that
eating me. What?
You got that on cam?
Dude, I did. That was a cam flip.
Let's go.
Stop biting. It's alright. Give him some time. He's in deep shed. I enjoy not getting eaten alive by Nerodia. Another one? It's still in there. Still in the second one. Right. I saw it.
3, 2.
Got it. Oh, it's a beauty. Dude, it's stunning. Look at the colors on that one. That one deserves a photo. Double!
Whoa, whoa.
Whoa, whoa. Whoa, stop biting yourself. That was a double.
Let's go. I told you, where there's one, there's more.
He's looking at you. He's not. Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Stop it.
Yo. Woo!
Alright, these are some good looking Nerodia.
Heck yeah, I'm going to grab some photos.
Sure.
Let's go. Fist bump, Nerodia bump. Let's go.
He's not having it.
Neither is this one. Look at that. Nerodia bump. Oh, don't bite each other. Okay, not a good idea. Not a good idea. Let's go. All right, guys. I'm going to see if I can get a few more quick photos of that guy. But this big, deep in shed Nerodia, I'm going to get the release on.
It's going to be gorgeous without a shed.
Oh, I know. Actually, look at that. It's really close. See that? Don't want to force it, though. Either way, right back in its wood pile. Don't want to stress it out too much. Snakes, when they're in shed like this, it's really difficult for them to see, so that's why it was so snappy. This guy is relatively calmed down, a little bit cautious, but the colors on this thing are just incredible. I've never seen something with such bright coloration. I mean, that's insane. Stunning, dude. What a beautiful animal. Either way, quick photos and release it. Good stuff. A quick release on this guy. Absolutely stunning northern water. That's quite possibly the best looking northern water I've ever found. And this railroad tie can get off the tracks because I don't want any trains running over it. And gloves go back on. Good finds. Probably just like the faintest music out in the background.
Yeah.
You can just hear like 2 notes probably.
No, I think it was the bird noises I put in.
Oh yeah.
Because I looked up like non-copyright bird noises because, I don't know.
What? When there ain't no birds, you know what they say.
No, it was for like a cool like talking section when you're like, this northern brown snake is blah blah blah, and I put in cool music.
Oh yeah.
And put bird noises behind it, and they were like, nah.
Nope. Ain't no. Nope.
Ain't no way.
Ain't no way.
No way you getting away with that, Ohio herps.
You take away our bird sounds again. I swear. That's not like we were making money off of it.
One day.
Maybe. Nah, we do this for good times, y'all.
Yeah. Not in it for the fame.
I'm starting to think that backpack with waters might have been a good idea.
Yeah.
Oh hey,
What we got?
we got a little dude.
No, tiny garter. Okay.
I feel like we found all the tiny ones over here, didn't we, last time? No! It missed my hand?
Ain't no way.
He's tiny, dude. He's a little man.
Well.
Alright, before he stinks up everything and anything, peace out, homie. Peace out. Back under me? We got one. I'm in shock.
Yeah, we don't even have to bring up scientific name because everyone who watches this obviously knows the scientific name of the garter.
Stand no fish to it.
Good job, Connor.
Get absolutely wrecked by my scientific knowledge of snake names.
Too much scientific.
Oh, you failed. We got Nerodia Siphodon today.
Oh my gosh, another wine bottle.
Reptiles. We've got, I mean, that's about it.
Who broke that wine bottle, man?
Dude! Get him, we're gonna get him.
Okay, he's under.
It's not this one. But
It's this one. Go! Yo, Ohio herp.
What's up, dude?
Hamster.
Hamster. Yeah, we got a hamster, yo. Hey, we got snake food.
Now the garters. That'd be
Hi,
funny if there's a
hamster.
snake right here. Imagine being neighbors.
You idiot.
Awkward. That was terrible.
Yo.
He chilling.
I'm just holding this thing, man.
Let me tickle his belly.
I need to get a photo.
Let me tickle his belly. Oh, he a man.
Are we getting demonetized?
No!
No rat willies, guys.
That is a mouse? I know, jeez.
It's a mouse? Yeah, try saying the scientific name of this guy. You don't care enough. There's only food for what we're finding. I'm actually gonna get food.
Sure. Who broke that bottle?
Dude!
Alright, photo of the rat, mouse.
It's a mouse! Shut up!
Adios.
Alright guys, well, this beautiful little brown I just flipped, going right back under its log. Awesome. Alright guys, I'm not going to mess with this guy too much. I'm just going to grab him and show you guys. But that is a gravid female eastern garter. It's going right back in the brush. Don't want to mess with it too much. Nothing under there. Cool. Alright, we weren't having too much luck with the railroad, so we actually swapped to the golf course. And we got a little toad. I can't tell if this is actually an American toad or a Fowler's toad. Whoop, don't jump. But I'm going to go release it either way. We had a couple boards over here. So, what was that? Hey, yo. It's a horse. Look at that dude. Just found him. Just kind of right up under here. No. Right there. Go back under your board. Good. Good enough. Cool.
That one go.
There's a heart?
A somewhat of a heart?
Mickey Mouse. Oh, I know.
Heart that didn't fly enough.
Yes. Oh! Dang, dude! Whoa! Let's go!